एक्चुअली फंक्शन के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ मालूम नहीं है मुझे. मैं एक्चुअली गलत आदमी हूँ यहाँ पे. आई डोंट ट्रैवल टू मच. तो इन्होंने ये एक लोनली प्लैनेट में बुला लिया है. बट माई वाइफ रियली लव्स ट्रैवलिंग. So I would like to support her and travel as much as possible. And it's my first time here at the Lonely Planet Awards. So I'm really hoping that I can really enjoy and have free booze and free food and all that. And apart from other that, probably I'll find some inspiration to travel soon, go to some nice destination somewhere, somewhere in the world. So I hope to enjoy myself, and I hope to enjoy the evening with my wife. Favorite destination, the island of Crete from Greece. That's my favorite destination so far. But I really like to go to Jamaica and Tokyo in Japan as well.
How it feels when people call you hunter?
It feels really nice when people call me hunter. But usually I would prefer that they would call me hunter with a few extra R's. But it's nice. It's a great feeling when they call me hunter, because a lot of people have seen him and it's their love and it's well appreciated. Thank you so much. Yeah. He thinks I'm looking really hot today. I don't know if I should be worried, but thank you so much. This I got tailored myself. Trousers I got tailored myself. This was a gift from a friend of mine from the UK, and I stole this watch from the sets of Cabaret actually. And what else? What is that? The shirt is from Cotton World, surprisingly. Yeah, they have some cool stuff. You should check it out. So it's all my clothes. I'm not wearing anybody else's. Upcoming project on the 27th of this month. I have a film releasing along with Richard Chadda, which is called Cabaret. So, and I'm shooting a film, a children's movie called Picture. I have done one schedule for it, and the rest of it I'll be shooting in June. So, फिलहाल यही है.
How do you define fashion, and what is the definition of fashion according to you?
How would I define fashion? I really don't. This is a very complicated question. I actually went to fashion school. I studied for 3 years, and I worked in the fashion industry. But I sometimes find it very difficult to, answer this question properly. So I think I will pass. Fashion is whatever you think it is. I am not able to answer this question right now. Bye guys.
Yeah, it's the 5th edition of the Lonely Planet Magazine Awards in India, and we are very excited because I think people always want to travel, but sometimes they don't know exactly how to go about traveling. So together with all the partners that we have here from the travel industry, we try and make sure that we make their jobs of travel a little bit easier. And this is a nice way to celebrate and recognize those who worked very hard within the travel industry to make this a little bit better. So very excited. Thank you. So this is actually about rewarding consistency. So people always ask me this question कि नया क्या है? Naya is not necessarily good, right? So this is about ensuring that in the last 1 year, people who've done a good job to make sure that the consumer's experience of travel becomes better. We recognize those. So just like every year, we are doing the same thing this year as well. Thank you.
and I really like that peach color kind of dress which I'm wearing. That's why I chose that, and she also advised me the same. So yeah.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, I'm about to launch my book, which is right now currently in printing. It's called Keep Eating, Keep Losing. So definitely, I want to see India healthier and fitter. That's why I thought, let me write one and try my level best to advise people and to spread the news how healthy living and health is important. Come again? Okay. So well, it was a journey coming from modeling and acting side. It is important to take care of your body as you are standing always in front of the camera. So it is part of your job to look good always. So definitely that passion of mine grew further, and one day I decided that's time to become a certified nutrition myself. So I will have the certification and the capability of writing the book and advise people. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do that. So as I have done that, I have thought of the idea to write Keep Eating, Keep Losing, and today Om Books International from Delhi is publishing it, and most probably in this month itself we will give the good news to you guys and unveil the cover. Thank you so much.
Goa, always. London, New York.
Any fond memories, any anecdote you'd like to share about any travel experience?
Okay. I really like going to Goa during the turtle hatching season and watch turtles hatch on the beach under the moonlight.
Any films that you should be looking out for?
Yeah, there are some being talked about. Nothing I know. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about a couple of projects, so I hope they'll work out. Yeah. Thanks.
I'm wearing a new designer. Her name is Nikita. She's from Nagpur, and she is hoping to do a debut in Lakme. So just crossing her finger that she makes it through this time.
Which is your favorite holiday destination other than talking about Loli planning?
Singapore and Switzerland is one country I still want to visit, but in India definitely Goa and Kerala.
So any fashion mantra for the season that you'd like to recommend?
Fashion mantra: just wear light clothes, cotton clothes, drink lots of water. That's all.
Okay, so you're looking forward to the travel show?
Yes, this is the first time I'm attending it, so I'm really looking forward to see what's in store for us.
Good to see you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Bye. ये एक्चुअली फॉरएवर न्यू से है किसी ने मतलब ये नॉर्मल स्टोर है और एक्चुअली टुडे आई हैड नो स्टाइलिस्ट और एनीथिंग मैंने खुद मेकअप और सब कुछ किया अपने आप आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड से दिस बट फिर भी बोल रही हूँ मैं बट या आई लव ट्रैवलिंग हालांकि काफ़ी सालों से मैं ट्रैवल नहीं कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि आई हैव नॉट अर्नड इनफ मनी आई फील टू लाइक रियली ट्रैवल द वे आई वांट टू but traveling is something I definitely want to do. I want to travel around India, around the world, and I'm very excited to be here. Yeah, I would love to explore India firstly. I would love to explore all the smaller places in India that maybe a lot of people haven't explored. You know, just get onto a train with a couple of friends and just see the whole country properly. And I would love to explore Europe as well, which is quite cliched, but वो मुझे करना है एक ना एक दिन लाइफ में तो करना है. जी एक्चुअली मेरी पहली फिल्म मस्तराम हमने मनाली में शूट की थी और आई थिंक आई लव मनाली. शायद एक पिछले जन्म में मैं पहाड़ी लड़की थी या कुछ वैसे. आई लव द माउंटेन्स, सो या मनाली इज़ लाइक माई फेवरेट प्लेस. थैंक यू. थैंक्स. best. And Lonely Planet is actually something I've been reading. And yeah, so I'm actually very pleasantly surprised that they called me, and I'm very, very happy to be here and be part of this whole gala tonight. I'm just looking forward to meeting some incredible people who are doing some fantastic work in the whole travel sector, and the photographers, and yeah, it's really exciting. And I'm a travel junkie. I am off to Slovenia actually next week, so I am yeah, this is like the perfect event for me.
You are traveling for another shoot, like are you traveling for the shoots at all?
I always am traveling for shoots. The last country I was in actually was for holiday, which was Hong Kong. Before that, I was in Scotland for shoot for a month. So yeah, I mean that's the best part of our profession, that we get to travel and get paid to travel. So yeah. Fashion statement and lifestyle. I think fashion is all about being comfortable, being yourself, and feeling nice in what you wear. And comfort is, I think, the key. And I'm not a I don't follow trends. I believe in making trends, if at all. But yeah, so that's about it, I guess. This is Lola by Suman B, and my shoes are, I think, Zara, and this is Gehna. So yeah, thank you.